The archive is an interesting sort of relatively new phenomenon in the whole ecosystem of science publishing. And in a way, it's almost like the opposite of the embargo problem. It's so unfiltered, and anybody can just put anything out there, which is fine as long as you know how to read it and know how to what it means if something's just up on the archive and not yet peer reviewed and so forth. So it's a really valuable uh, resource, certainly for scientists, and I think for journalists like Rebecca. But once in a while, of course, some journalist who either doesn't understand or is willfully ignoring the difference between something that's just up on the archive and something that's actually been peer reviewed will, you'll see some story that's very far-fetched, and you realize, oh, they're referencing this paper, and not everybody understands what the archive is and how it relates to the peer reviewed literature.
I think a lot of journalists, myself included, kind of troll it to see what's new and what's happening, and these are preprints, so they're not peer reviewed. Some of them have been accepted, some of them haven't, to journals. And I'm wondering how both of you engage with the archive. Rebecca, do you use it to find stories?
Oh yeah, all the time. And
Yeah.
I mean, I would say, I'm doing less news nowadays than I have for the bulk of my freelancing career, but when I do and when I've done news in the past, that's like the first place I look.